making homemade applesauce that we can have fresh or frozen, and we're using two types of apples. We're doing a Honeycrisp apple and a Granny Smith apple, and we're doing about 3 pounds. So the tedious part is peeling, and then we'll go on from there. Step 2, we're going to cut the apples into quarters. Then we're going to go over here, trim out the core. And we'll do that for all of them, and that'll be the end of step 2. Now we're going to add the ingredients. First, we're going to add 4 lemon peels called the zest, which is not the white, not the core, but the zest of the lemon, the skin basically. We're going to add that. Then we're going to take 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Gently add that in. Then we're going to take 1/4 cup of organic brown sugar. We're going to add that in. Really good. We're going to take a 1/4 cup of raw honey, put that in. We're going to take about a 2-inch cinnamon stick, throw that in. Then we're going to take a cup of water, add that. And then just a pinch of salt. And that's all mixed together now. So we're going to bring it to a boil at a high heat. And then once we've reached that, we're going to lower the temperature in order to simmer it. And we're going to do that for about 20 to 30 minutes with the lid on until the apples are tender and cooked through. Okay, this has been 20-25 minutes and it looks really good just about now. Okay, we just took this off the stove. It's still steaming. It's beautiful. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take the cinnamon stick out, place it right there. And we really like this consistency. It's a little chunkier. Some people might want it finer so they can use a potato masher, put it in a blender and get it very fine, but we like this. Also, it depends on your taste. If you want to add more lemon juice, more cinnamon, sugar, whatever you want to add to it. We're going to leave it like this and give it a taste right now. Careful because it's still steaming hot. That is delicious. Unbelievable.